Alright, here's your script. Scene start. Intro music with Rome tips, com logo animation fades in and out. Host asterisk hey everyone, welcome back to RomeTips.com. Today we're tackling something super common, how to change the passcode on your iPhone. It's a simple process, but it's crucial for keeping your data safe, so let's dive right in. Short, upbeat transition music. Host asterisk in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step instructions on how to change your existing passcode, create a new one, and even switch to a more secure alphanumeric passcode. We'll also cover what to do if you forget your current passcode. So stick around, you might learn something new. Visual, iPhone screen recording starts. Settings app is opened. Host asterisk OK, first things first, unlock your iPhone and head to the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. Visual, scrolling down in the Settings menu. Host asterisk now, scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode, or if you don't have Face ID, it will just say Touch ID and Passcode, or simply Passcode. Tap on that. Visual, user taps on Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. Host asterisk your iPhone will probably ask you to enter your current passcode to continue. Go ahead and do that. This is to confirm it's really you making the changes. Visual, entering the current passcode. Host asterisk once you're in, scroll down again until you see the option that says, Change Passcode. Give that a tap. Visual, tapping on Change Passcode option. Host asterisk again, you'll be prompted to enter your old passcode. Go ahead and do that. Visual, entering the current old passcode. Host asterisk now, you'll see a screen where you can enter your new passcode. Here's where you have a few options. Visual, the Enter Your New Passcode screen appears. Asterisk asterisk. Host asterisk by default, it will probably offer you a 6-digit numeric code. If you want something different, tap on Passcode options, just above the keypad. Visual, tapping Passcode options. Host asterisk here, you'll see 3 choices, Custom Alphanumeric Code, Custom Numeric Code, and 4-digit numeric code. Visual, highlighting or circling the 3 passcode options. Asterisk asterisk. Host asterisk Custom Alphanumeric Code is the most secure. It lets you use letters, numbers, and symbols for a strong and unique passcode. Custom Numeric Code allows you to create a longer numeric passcode, which is more secure than a 4-digit one. And 4-digit numeric code is the simplest but also the least secure option. Visual, example of each passcode type appearing on screen briefly. Asterisk asterisk. Host asterisk choose the option that best suits your needs. I'm going to select Custom Alphanumeric Code for maximum security. Visual, selecting Custom Alphanumeric Code. Asterisk asterisk. Host asterisk now, enter your new passcode. Make sure it's something you can remember, but also something that's difficult for others to guess. Avoid things like your birthday or address. Visual, entering a new alphanumeric passcode. Characters are likely masked. Asterisk asterisk. Host asterisk the iPhone will ask you to verify your new passcode by entering it again. Do that now. Visual, re-entering the new alphanumeric passcode. Asterisk asterisk. Host asterisk and that's it. Your passcode has been successfully changed. The iPhone will likely take a moment to update your settings. Visual, returns to the Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode settings page. Asterisk asterisk. Host asterisk now, what if you forget your passcode? Visual, a graphic or title card that says Forgot your passcode. Host asterisk unfortunately, if you forget your passcode, you'll need to erase your iPhone and restore it from a backup. If you don't have a backup, you'll lose any data that wasn't synced to iCloud or another service. That's why it's super important to have regular backups. To erase your iPhone, you'll need to put it into recovery mode and connect it to a computer with iTunes or Finder on newer Macs. Apple has detailed instructions on their website on how to do this, so I'll link that in the description below. Visual, briefly show a screenshot of Apple support page on recovery mode. Host asterisk so there you have it. Changing your iPhone passcode is a quick and easy way to keep your device secure. Remember to choose a strong passcode that you can remember, and always keep your backups up to date. Visual, returns to the host. Host asterisk I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to RomeTips.com for more tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music with RomeTips.com. Logo animation fades in. Scene end.